This is the CLIC 13 video for Tuesday, the 26th of January. And today, boys and girls, you're trying to solve any 4-digit number, taking away a 2 or a 3-digit number. So if you look at the example that's given to you on your Big Ten questions, could you please tell somebody or just think to yourself, what type of method is that? What's the name for that? And hopefully you have said that is a column method, a column strategy. So when we place our numbers vertically, stacking them on top of each other into their place value columns. So I'm going to go through question 1 for you just now. So it's asking you what 8,554 take away or subtract 437 is. So what's the first thing that we've got to do, boys and girls, to set this into our column subtraction calculation? We have to put the biggest number on the top, so 8,554, and then we have to put our other number, 437. It's very important, boys and girls, that you place those numbers into the correct columns. So these are all the units numbers here. We have all of our tens numbers here, our hundreds numbers, and lastly our thousands here. The number on the bottom doesn't have any thousands, so you shouldn't have anything in this column here. If you do, then you have stacked it wrong and you're going to get the incorrect answer. Now, where do we start, boys and girls, then when we come to do this type of calculation? Do we start at our thousands column or at our units column? And hopefully you said that you start on the right hand side on the units. So you always start over at the right at the smallest column. So then we look and it is asking us to do 4 take away 7. Can you take 7 away from 4? And the answer is no, you can't actually do that. 4 is a smaller number than 7, so you will not be able to subtract 7 from 4. What is the word, the fancy word, to describe what we have to do then to help us? It's called decomposition. Some people use the rhyme, go next door and take 10 more. So decomposition. So as we don't have enough in the units column just now, we have to look to the column next to it, which is the tens, and we are going to take one lot of 10 away from that and add it to our units. So our units now become 14, 1 10 and 4 units, and our tens now become 4 as I've taken that 1 10 away from it. So 14 take away 7 then, we can do that now. 14 subtract 7 is 7. The next column then, 4 take away 3 is 1, 5 take away 4 is also 1, and 8 take away nothing is just 8. Let's do one more like that, boys and girls. We should really be getting good at this because we did this 2 weeks ago in our numeracy and subtraction, and we also did this Big Ten last week, a different set last week, but the same process. Let's try if we only had to take away 2 digits. So 2,492 subtracting 28. So again, first thing is we put the biggest number on the top, 2,492, and then I have to place my other number on the bottom again, making sure my place value is correct. I don't have any hundreds, I don't have any thousands, so I need to make sure it's in the correct column. I have my units together, my tens, my hundreds, and then my thousands there, boys and girls. And as we said before, we start at the units column, the right hand column all the time. Now we have 2 take away 8. Similar to the last one, 2 is a smaller number, therefore you cannot subtract 8 from it. We have to look to the tens column. We take 1 away from it and add it to our units. 9 now becomes 8. Now we're sorted then. 12 take away 8 is 4. 8 take away 2 is 6. 4 take away nothing is just 4, and 2 take away nothing is 2. Okay? You go ahead and try that, boys and girls. If you do have any questions, we are doing live big maths lessons on Tuesdays and Thursdays, so you can ask me then. Otherwise, you can post on Teams or you could message me on Dojo. Please remember to upload your work onto Teams or onto Dojo, and good luck. Thank you.